So the third part, okay, you have finished the handle. So I'll just close this one again, then create a new file, then part file, then okay. By the way, make sure that all of them are in IPS. Okay, this activity measured in IPS. Okay, so that when we assemble those parts, we will not be having any problem. Okay, so make sure that it is in IPS. Then I'll sketch in the front plane. Okay, so for the next profile, I will be sketching the what you call this knob using the line tool. I'll draw a vertical line. Okay, and then horizontal line. Then I'll draw an arc here using the line tool. So I can't draw an arc, so probably I will be hovering my mouse going back to the last endpoint without clicking, and then the arc tool will be invoked. Okay, so I'll just draw this arc and then click here, semicircle. Then again, the line tool is invoked. Again, similarly, I'll just hover the mouse cursor to the last endpoint and then draw an arc. Okay, so make sure no clicks, okay, was created. Okay, and then click here. Okay, I have created two semicircles, and then vertical line here, and then another horizontal line here. Okay, so the procedure, okay, let me create another one. So I have created vertical lines, then horizontal line, then line tool is activated. Then I'll just hover the mouse pointer to the last endpoint, then draw an arc. Okay, I didn't click anywhere here. Okay, so I just hover the mouse again. Just erase this one, delete. Okay, so again, line, vertical line, horizontal line, and then I'll hover it to the last endpoint without clicking. Then the arc tool will be invoked. Okay, draw a semicircle. So if you want that measurements to be given, you can do so. I'll just click here, and then the line tool is activated again. Then I'll hover the mouse pointer to the last endpoint again. Then the arc tool will be invoked. Similarly, a semicircle should be drawn. I just click here, then a vertical line, and then horizontal line. Okay, so I'll just erase this one using the delete tool. Okay, so I have created this one. So I'll smart dimensions. I'll dimension the vertical line 1 inch. Okay, and then okay. Then this is 0.375. Then okay. So the 2 decimal, I just change that 3. Then okay. Then smart dimension, radius of 0.25 probably. Then okay. And then this one has a dimension of 0.125. Then this one has a 0.375. Okay, and then change that 3 decimal place. Then okay. Now you'll notice here you still have a uh, blue sketch, so definitely this sketch is underdefined. So if your sketch is already black after inputting this dimension, wait, I'll just select this extension line and change that to 3 decimal places. Okay, if you dimension it using these values, then this arc here is already colored black, then it is fully defined, no need to add relation. But then if you have a blue sketch here, you need to add relation. Okay, so adding of relation, I'll just select the center. Okay, and then this vertical line here. Okay, so I have selected the line and the point, the vertical line and the center of this arc, and then make sure that it is in coincident. Then okay. So if it's fully defined, okay, you need to create revolve features. So under features command manager, select the revolve boss base. Okay, so axis of revolution, select the vertical line which has a measurement of 1 inch. Okay, then the direction is blind, make sure that it is 360 degrees for a complete revolution. Okay, so if you're going to decrease this one, let's see its output. Okay, so let's say this is 200 degrees. Okay, so it is revolved to that direction 200 degrees. Okay, so it should be complete because this is a knob, so it should be 360 degrees. And then okay, so this is the knob. Okay, so I'll just change the orientation view using the bottom view. Okay, and this bottom view, I'll just sketch, make sure that you select this face. Okay, the center one. So I'll just select this face, then I'll draw a circle at the origin. Then the dimension is, it has the diameter of 0. Let's say 0.20. Okay, then I'll just rotate it somewhere in this direction or in this orientation view. Okay, and then I'll use the features extruded cut, and then the depth of that cut is probably 0.50 inches. Okay, so I'll just change the orientation view to isometric view, and that gives you the knob. I'll save that file. Okay, so similar names, but then this should be a knob. Save.